Custom-built home West/3 bedroom, 2.5 baths spacious master has cathedral ceiling and 2 WICs Beautiful, large kitchen West granite, stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, gas range and huge island. All appliances convey. All hardwoods on first floor. Family room West shelves and fireplace tray ceiling in large dining room. Laundry on second floor. Gorgeous crown and millwork throughout. Big screen porch and bigger deck overlook a beautifully landscaped backyard with plenty room to play. Garage has alpha workshop and or storage. Seller is motivated.